You want to make money reviewing books online. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the platform that you can go ahead and you get paid $5 to $60 for just reviewing books on this platform. And right here is my seller page where I actually also sell books, and this is not the type of website you go and review. This is actually a very unique website that you go ahead to, you review on the platform and you get paid in dollars. So right now, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I share videos on how you can make money online, how you can earn in cryptocurrency, PayPal, and any other means of making money online. So for you to get started on this platform, what you need is just your email address, and I'm very sure if you are watching this video, it means you have an already email address, and you can still go ahead and create a new email address so you can start afresh and start making money on this platform. So right here is a website called onlinebookclub.org. So what did they do on this website? Actually, it's a free book where book has been uploaded for you to read. So you're a book lover, you can go ahead and sign up with your email, then you get book for you to read. And every time there is also a giveaway prize for you on this platform, which you can also. So their free book is a free online community for book lovers, and this has been around for over 10 years, and people come here to post their book for you to read for free. And what you'll be doing right here, it should be different. It's not you reading book over here, is you coming over here to review their books, and you get paid for doing that. So, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can do that on this platform. Make sure you have email address, the active email address. So right here I'll be dropping the link to my description box, because the link is actually different from using onlinebookclub.org. So you click on this one, so the link will be pasted in my description box. You see it said get paid to review book, and this is completely free. And how does this work is that you select the book of your choice. So the book you can read, you go ahead, you read it, and you give it a review, and this is completely free to you as a reviewer. So, and most payout are between $5 to $60, and all you need to do just for you to type your email like this. So let me show you. Let me use my email as an example. You click on submit button, and a unique code will be generated to you. So you press out this code right here, X815, and click on submit. So when you click on submit, a list of books will be out. So type out the code and let's click on the submit button right here. So when you click on the submit button, it says next step is for you to verify your email. So thank you for interest, and now we send you a mail for confirmation. So right now the confirmation has been sent to my email. So let me go ahead and refresh my email right here. You can see it come up here. So right here is my own login details. Okay, from here it says thank you for signing up as a book reviewer. Please create a password right now. So I'll go ahead and create a password and show you guys this process. So right here is a page I'm setting up my password, and it is also require you to verify your phone number. So I'll be putting my phone number right here, and make sure you are putting number that you also have on WhatsApp, as verification code will be sent to your WhatsApp account. So right now go over and pick up your country. So I'll be picking Nigeria, as that is actually my country. I'm putting up my phone number. So for step 3, it should be asking you what device will you be using to read. So right now I choose Kindle. So because I'll actually be using Kindle to read my book, and you can also go ahead and choose any other option over here. So I'll be choosing Kindle. If you don't have Kindle, all you have to just for you to go over to your Play Store, download Amazon Kindle on your phone, which you can be used to read up all this book on this page. So just go ahead, click on Amazon Kindle. So that's what I will be using on this platform. So guys, so after verification, a code sent to you on WhatsApp, you download Amazon Kindle and then start to earn on this platform. So let me just go ahead and click on submit. So it said welcome to the team, you are all signed up, congratulations. So right now I've successfully signed up to this website, so I can go ahead and click on view select tabs, and you can also go ahead and view the guidelines and basic to see how this work on the platform. So now this is the home page. You can see right now this is my dashboard page where I'll be seeing books to review on the platform. So let me go down and show you. So this is a free book. enough vision is $600 per page. Okay, now let's look for a book that we can go ahead and review so we can get paid for it. So you can actually check this payment method right here which says payments. This space is showing you as a free book only. So let's go ahead and look for the one. This one says no payment. So we go ahead and look for the one that actually have a payment. Then we are going ahead. So you can see right here, this one is showing the Magician Streets $5 as bonus for reading this, for reviewing this book. So let's click on this Magician Streets and let's see the information. Then how we can, this is available for Kindle. So this is actually the best type of book you look out for so you can read. So let's see, this is a book title, author's name, language English, and pages is 335 pages, and right here it's a screen page. So let's just go ahead to see payouts. Right here is $5. So this book is available for you to review, so you can go ahead and review this book. Just click on review book and go ahead, and before you review the book, you actually have to read and make sure what you are reviewing is relating to the content of the book. So how do you find that? Is for you type out this, the Magician Streets, and let's go over to Amazon. So we go over to Amazon page, home page actually. So let's paste it right here. So we are looking for this book on Amazon page. So on Amazon page, after the search, let's scroll down and check. So remember the author of the book. So right now here is the book, The Magician Street, Charles Townsend. So let's go ahead and confirm it is the same thing. You can see same thing as the author name, Charles Townsend. So, and it's available on Kindle. So let's just go ahead and click on it and read the book in Kindle. So if you have Kindle on your phone, on your laptop, you go ahead and make sure you read this book from beginning to the end, and go over and come over here and click on review the book. So when you come over here and click on review the book, review this book, and you get paid after it has been confirmed you have reviewed the book. So this is how easy you can actually make money online. So for you, if you want to start to earn again on this platform, you want to know how to start to make money through seller.co. So go over, check up my message, send me a direct message. Let me teach you on how you can set up your skills. You can turn your skills into PDF. Then you go over and share your knowledge with others in a monetization, which you can just go ahead and sell it with a minimum of 1,000 naira, $2 and so on. Then consistently you make sales, and this has been earned on my own platform. So you can see you can earn in every currency: naira, dollars, pounds, Ghana cedis, Kenya, and so on. So these are very easy ways. So if you are still here watching my videos, make sure you go ahead to my channels and subscribe, like my videos, and turn on the notification button so you can be updated for every videos uploaded on my channel. Thank you guys for watching.